Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Impala is equipped with the power sunroof and power sunroof is not working. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 to 2013 and Chevy Impala Limited made from 2014 to 2016. The power sunroof fuse will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger cabin just next to the passenger's right foot. Behind this small cover. To remove the cover you just want to gently pull it towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the power sunroof fuse, it's a 20 amp fuse located right here in the middle. If this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and start looking into the power sunroof switch, then the wiring, and then in the end at the power sunroof motor itself. But hopefully just by replacing the fuse that will fix your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.